In the last video I showed how you can set a variable, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it. Now in my story, at one point in the story, what happens is that you can choose to take a drink, okay? And what happens is, if you choose to take that drink, it sets this variable, kickapoo drink, to 1. And I'm going to show you how we can use that now. So let's quickly have a look at the cheat sheet. So scrolling up there. So basically you can see we set a variable and we can use it using something called selection. Selection basically says if the value is this, do this, or if it's something else, do something else. Now I've only got 2 options here, but you can have 3 or even 4 different options in yours. And you can find out more if you go to the Twinery wiki site. I'm only going to show you 2 options because that's the easiest one. So basically in mine, look, that if kickapoo drink is 1, something's going to happen, and if it's 0, something else is going to happen. And here's my script here, so I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'll talk you through it now. So let's go back in. You see I've got a blank passage ready to go. So I'm just going to paste that in now. So earlier on I set the value to 1 or 0 based on what they chose. So if it's 1, you can see here's the important syntax. It starts in brackets and then a close bracket, and then the text has to be in square brackets. So the text associated with this value has to be in square brackets. So the drink you took, cloud your judgment, there's some text here, and basically the story's over. Okay, so if you've drunk the drink earlier, you will die. Okay, now if I choose the next bit of text, I'll copy that. And again, you've got access to this cheat sheet, so you can copy mine and change it. So else, it's 0, so you didn't drink the drink. You can see that because you didn't drink it, you fight well and you don't die, and you then will get the choice to carry on with the story. So that's basically it. So I'll just close that down. We'll look at it in a moment. So the important thing is, at some point in your story, something needs to happen where you set a value. So in this case, I've set the kickapoo drink to 1. It doesn't have to be a number. It could be a text value. And then later on in my story, I'm going to use that to make a decision. So if earlier on I drank the drink, I will die, but if earlier on I chose not to drink the drink, I will be able to carry on with the story. And that's how we can use variables in our story to make decisions.